Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect sink bowl water pipeline. Look at this one. So this is the old one, which one is already broke. You can see it on the video. And this end is okay. This is the brand new one. These are the nipples. Now I'll put the nipples in here. Now the nipple, I'm going to put one end. Just press it inside. Use your finger strip. Okay then. You can take out the mouth of it and press it, attach it with the mouth and put a block again. Okay, there is the sink tape. And I'm attaching it, tightening it up. And this is the main water line. I'm going to put another end of the connector pipe here. With my thumb twisted, tightening it up again. There it is, ready. And here I go. Water is coming, there is no problem at all. This is how you can do it by yourself. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.